dinosaur with Ingeo coatings. Yay! Thank you for your cooperation. Whee!
Ingeo is one of the best fabrics on the planet. I really like its natural steel.
It only takes one person to change the world. You. Ingeo fiber isn't just about buying a product. It's about buying into the idea that no matter how small your action, that, combined with others, you can effectively contribute to changing the world. It's about a new activism that focuses on being environmentally and socially responsible. You really can change the world through your buying habits.
Here. We have a great product lined up for you viewers at home that are just tuning in. Ingeo! Yes, the revolutionary 100% renewable, fully degradable, environmentally friendly synthetic fabric. Think about all the plastic we use on an everyday basis. It's everywhere. And think about how much better it'd be if we could use this in an environmentally friendly way. Now let's go to our professor in the field for some more information on Ingeo.
So, Professor, I heard you've been researching this Ingeo for quite a while now. Can you give us any information on the process?
Well, we first start out with, we use some raw materials. Yes, we use some flat sugars, like corn.
Corn, I see. Corn.
Wallace Carothers, who worked for DuPont, a large company with many subsidiary industries, including plastics, invented PLA in 1932. Carothers produced polylactic acid by heating lactic acid underneath a vacuum. This is actually a multi-step process, with lactic acid first heating up and losing water as it combines to create lactic acid, a acyclic molecule. The solution of lactic is then purified using vacuum distillation, in which solvents are evaporated leaving pure lactide. The lactide then is heated in the presence of a tin callus to straighten out the molecule into polylactic acid chains. The original Carothers process was refined by DuPont in 1954 to the one we currently use. PLA has not been used a lot in the past because of its high cost of production until recent advancements in obtaining lactic acid through glucose fermentation. This led to a decrease in prices in producing lactic acid and therefore PLA. Cargill Incorporated took advantage of the price change and started researching PLA in 1987. Cargill formed a joint venture with Dow Chemical Company, Inc. to create Cargill Dow Polymers LLC to commercialize PLA. They launched NatureWorks in 2001, which is the creator of Ingeo synthetic fabric.
Welcome to Martha Stewart Living. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to learn a little more about Ingeo today. It is an amazing product that I recently discovered, though, well, of course, I did not discover it, but I found it's just incredible. It makes for lovely window draperies, beautiful fabrics. Oh, I mean, just, it's incredible, ladies and gentlemen. I assure you, the quality is the finest out there. I mean, just look at this. It's so silky, so soft. There's just nothing like it. And it's so environmentally friendly, too.
I, Martha Stewart, am a true advocate of the environment. I know that in the past I was busy with less than scrupulous stock investments. However, that is the past. I am so supportive for the environment, and this product, this amazing product, it is there. It's for the environment, ladies and gentlemen, for the environment.
Our fabric is completely biodegradable and will have no visible, distinguishable, or toxic residue. It can be composted at any municipal composter. It's simple, easy, and completely guilt-free. In fact, every time you use Ingeo, you should give yourself a pat on the back of your perfectly wrinkle-free Ingeo polyester shirt. After all, Ingeo is naturally wrinkle-resistant. So say goodbye to that old iron and say hello to a few minutes of bliss in front of the TV.
Polylactic acid is a polyester created from lactide. Polyesters are a class of polymers that contain esters in their main chains. As you surely know, polymers are very long molecules consisting of structural and repeating units, all connected by covalent chemical bonds. Lactide, chemical formula C6H8O4, is the anhydride of lactic acid, 2-hydroxypropanoic acid,
chemical formula C3H6O3. It is a white crystalline substance. Anhydrides are compounds made from other compounds by subtracting attached water molecules. Acids or bases tend to be the compounds from which water is subtracted. Anhydrides can react with water to form their corresponding acid or base. Lactide is converted to polylactic acid through the ring opening method. Lactide has a ring structure, therefore by use of a type of tin compound catalyst and the addition of heat, it is opened into an aliphatic polymer. Polylactic acid is an aliphatic compound, which means that it is an organic molecule lacking rings in its structure. It is also a thermoplastic, a material that is plastic or deformable, melts to a liquid when heated, and, when cooled sufficiently, freezes to a brittle, glassy state.
Yes, your plate, yes.
Look, I know. So we take the sugars from the corn and, we process it, and we ferment it kind of like when you, make your yogurt. You play it.
What do you transfer it into?
Well, you make it into high-performing polylactide polymer.
This would be the polylactic acid, right?
Anyway, polylactic acid is, of course, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. It's quite a complex molecule.
Ingeo has great potential for the future. With a biodegradable fabric, it would be perfect for wearable items that can be thrown away, such as diapers. Disposable garments could be the new rage. Wear something new every day. It could be used to make feminine hygiene products, since it does not sacrifice comfort in its practicality. Also, its wrinkle-resistant and UV-resistant properties make it excellent choices for current name brands to use.
So, Miss Minty Choi, can you tell me about some of the benefits of using Ingeo?
Reduces fossil fuel use, less greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, natural feeling products used in apparel, furnishing, fiberglass, carpet, and more.
Ingeo, it's so cutting edge. So what's the next step? Where are we going now? What can we do next? Perhaps make Ingeo a completely corn-based process. Instead of using fossil fuels to run machines that make Ingeo, we could use ethanol.
Silly Freddy.
Yeah,
Like Fandango. Hell yeah.
oh my god! That'd be so good for the
Dude, totally, dude.
That's the laughing one.
You got massive chest hair, dude. Check that. Look at that. Blonde, hairy. I wish I had that kind of stuff. Yeah, totally, dude. Oh man, my chest hair. Hey, little pants. You got nothing on me. You got no stuff on me. Oh, look at that. Oh, you got nothing, bitch. Oh! Look, I will kill you. Oh, wait, can I?
Actually,
Make the porn. Make the porn on me. Whoa, no.
Smile!
What?
Okay, never mind.
On what?
Smile for me, baby.